Friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to discuss about a Splash Beverage Group Inc, ticker symbol SBEV. We have seen a drastic increase in the volume from 177k average volume in the past 3 months to the last traded volume of more than 84 million shares, and a big price change of more than 70% has actually push the stock again back into the mainstream. So let's discuss about that. But before that, if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, hit on the subscription button and also hit on the notification bell along with the all button to get my updated video notifications. So looking at the price performance makes us interested to look into this particular stock. So let's see what's moving this stock. So this is the latest news we have here, which is saying that Splash Beverage Group receives authorization from Tapauti in Walmart store across Florida metropolitan areas. Now, just consider or just think how big or how influential Walmart store is. I mean, product entered into the Walmart store or authorization to the products has actually moved the stock by more than double or triple. So this is what we have here, and because of this the stock went up higher. And let's see any short interest ratio. 1.54 is the short interest ratio we have here, so nothing much. So this is what we have here. So let's quickly go to the chart and let's see what's impact does it make on the charts. So I mean, the chart is pretty simple. The chart indeed is very simple, and it looks like it is making a turnaround from the same level where it has this stock has made a turnaround in the past as well from these levels. So what we have here is 1.35, which is your immediate support, and 0.99, which is your stop loss. As you can see, in 2019, in 2020, now in 2022, the stock indeed respect 99 cents and started moving higher. So if this is the case and the stock continues to sustain above 1.35 with a stop loss of 99 cents, the next target we have here is the upper end of the range. Let me just explain to you segment wise. So the first two targets we have here are 6.8 and $9, above which you have the higher end of the range, and this range is in between 14.5 and 15.6. so we have decent amount of move which is yet to be seen as far as this stock is concerned. So this is just the beginning, and if the same thing will happen right now, which has already happened in the past, then we are here for a big swing. So right now the kind of moves the stock is making does indicate a big move in the upcoming weeks and months. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.